a clinical psychologist, and when we do developmental psychology, I thought about the stage of a child when they are about 2 years old. It's the stage where they have to learn autonomy. And so, I mean, when we work with parents, we often tell them to allow the child to, because at that age, the child wants to do things for themselves. And you need to allow that process to happen so that they can learn. You are there as a support and as a guide to make sure they don't get hurt, but you have to let that process happen so that they can learn autonomy. And so I just thought about that as you were talking. I just want to at this point, sorry, go ahead.
No, I was just going to say that's a really good point. And we know in maths that there is that temptation for us to particularly in problem solving lessons, to give the students the answers rather than leave them in that time of productive struggle. And yeah, it's knowing that you actually are doing the right thing in the long run is really important. Actually, that reminds me of another thing. We found with teacher aides, we have teaching assistants who are untrained, sort of like adult helpers in the classrooms when there are students with intellectual disability. And if it's hard for a teacher to hold back from telling, it's really, really difficult for a teacher aide because they're employed to help and they don't want to look like they're being lazy or not helping. And so it's really important, I think, for teachers to reassure a teacher aide and also to really let them know that's what the aim is that autonomy that you're talking about.
I like the term that you've used, productive struggle. I think that's
no, it's not mine.
But that's a good term to use.
It's a good one, isn't it?
It is a good one.